recording the class for those people who could not participate today. Okay, so we are here on Kaisha In. Kaisha In is company employee. The short form of Kaisha In is Sha In. Alright, you can also say Shine. Sha In. So Kaisha In will become Sha In. Alright, here I give. So
shine, shine,
shine.
shine,
All right. So yeah, I mean there are lots of vocabulary, but yeah, as I said, on this vocabulary, we will try to make some sentences as well. So before we move, I'll just have a quick understanding how much vocabulary you have learned. All right, Abhinav-san, how do you say a company employee?
Shine.
Shine or Kai Shine, yeah?
Kai
Or
shine.
Kai
Yes.
Shine, yeah? Kai Shine, all right. Okay, Harshita-san, how you say student?
Gaksei.
Gakse, all right, Gakse. Niharika-san, now Niharika-san wants to become a teacher, right? So, okay, Niharika-san, so if you want to become a teacher, what is teacher in Japanese?
Uh, I mean, if I have to refer to myself, it's Kyoshi, and if I have to refer to someone else, it's Sensei.
Okay, so normal word, we can say sensei, all right? Sensei is the right word. All right, Raji-san? Okay, Raji-san, if you want to say everyone, how do you say everyone? Raji-san, are you there? Raji-san?
Minasan.
All right, Minasan is the right word. I think, Sambi-san, any luck?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, yes.
I've
We are
tried it.
good. Oh, good, 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 good. I'm happy
Okay,
that
nice.
now you're audible now. All right, yeah. Great, good.
Okay.
All right, yeah. So we'll go with you and would request if you could say what is I in Japanese? I.
I don't know.
It's okay. I'll take you to the first slide
Yeah.
of this. Yeah. So I'll be sharing these things. No worries at all. So
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. So I in Japanese is watashi. All right. This is Watashi. Watashi. All right.
Yeah.
Watashi. Yeah. This is watashi. All right. And here. Okay. Anata. Anata is you. So can you just let me know what is I in Japanese now, Sami-san?
Watashi,
Watashi. Very good. And you would be?
anata.
Anata, Anata. All right, thank you so much, Smita. And then we go to Johnson. Johnson, please let me know how do you say that person? Right one.
Ana hito.
Yeah, polite one would be
Anokata.
Anukata is the right word. Thank you so much. Yeah, topic son. Topic son,
yeah,
are you there? All right, I understand. Like
yeah,
you,
yeah.
you are not able to see my screen, but yes, okay. So just the simple one. Can you just let me know what is Mr. and Mrs. in Japanese?
San,
Sun. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Then we move to part two, grammar. All right. So we'll be learning this. Just listen to this, please.
文系
1、
私はマイク・ミラーです。
2、
サントスさんは学生じゃありません。
3、
ミラーさんは会社員ですか？
4、
サントスさんも会社員です。
All right. So yeah, understood. It will be difficult for few of you to understand what we are talking about. Yeah. After this grammar explanation, you will be able to understand, and I'll play this grammar audio again, and I'll ask you what they are talking about. That's what we have already done this. Yeah. So here we go. All right. So the very first pattern, in fact, you can say this. Like the very first pattern is A, wa, B, this. Right. So meaning is am, is, are, where, you to. So you just ignore all those things. Right. So I'll tell you what is this. All right, in Hindi, we say whom or hai, right? In our own language, just try to translate this. Like, if I say, मैं संतोष हूँ, right? So in English, I'll say, I am Santosh. So, I mean, if you translate in English language, it will haphazard, all confusion, right? Try to translate this Japanese into your mother language, like, whatever local languages you speak, right? I speak Hindi at home, right? So I'll try to correlate with the Hindi grammar itself. So if I say this is whom or hai, example, if I want to say आप Mr. John हैं, right? So if I want to say that आप Mr. John हैं, it will be anata wa John san des. Des is hai and whom, like, all right. And then the pattern is a wa b des. A is nothing but noun one. Wa is the particle indicating the topic. Adding des after b forms a predicate. So okay, this is whatever the topic is there in that sentence, we use wa after that noun. Example, I say watashi. So what is watashi here, Niharika-san?
Watashi is I.
I, right? So watashi wa. So I'm talking why, where why is a particle. What does not have any meaning. All right, it's a topic marker of this in the sentence. So watashi and then wa particle came. It means I'm talking about myself, I. So watashi wa and then B. So A and B should be same, right? Watashi, I and Santosh is same, right? Is similar. Say both the things are similar, right? So watashi wa Santosh des. If you translate in Hindi, it will be मैं संतोष हूँ. All right, that's the way we translate this in. Or probably in Kannada it will be Nanu Santosh, right? In your own language, just try. In Telugu or Tamil or Malayalam, any language you try in your language, the pattern will be the Indian grammar pattern is same as Japanese grammar pattern. So you will be able to grasp it very easily. All right. So I have given the example. Watashi wa Santosh des. My name is Santosh. So what I have mentioned here, this literally translates to I Santosh am. If I'm say I Santosh am, if you translate it into English, right? So remember that Japanese uses subject, object, verb rather than subject, verb, and object. So don't try to translate in English. Just try to translate in your local language, and you will be able to get it. Like, it's all right. So instead of going, Abhinav-san, I will request you if you could just let me know if you want to say hello. Hello is konnichiwa. All right. I am, or hello everyone. I am Abhinav. How would you say that, Abhinav-san?
Yeah, watashi wa abhinav des.
ऑलराइट, अगर आपको बोलना है कि नमस्कार सभी लोग और सभी नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे बोलेंगे अभिनव सर? सभी लोगों को, व्हाट इज एवरीवन?
Everyone, not sure on the everyone.
ओके, मीना-सान, अभी आपने याद किया, मीना-सान, राइट? मीना-सान इज एवरीवन. मीना-सान, सान इज, you understand what is सान? मीना-सान is everyone. So how do you say good afternoon? Okay, not learned. I'm not taught that. So I'll share one video on that as well. That's konnichiwa. All right, konnichiwa. All right. Now you say hello everyone. How you say that? Yeah, Abhinav-san? Say okay. It probably you would have not learned this. I'll write it for you. Konnichiwa is a word you say good afternoon or hello. All right, konnichiwa. Okay, konnichiwa. It means hello or good afternoon. I have a message in the chat window. You can refer to that. That is called konnichiwa. All right, अभी बोलना है आपको konnichiwa everyone. Everyone, good afternoon. How do you say that?
Konnichiwa.
Minasan. Konnichiwa minasan.
Konnichiwa minasan.
Okay, konnichiwa minasan. I am Abhinav. How is it?
Konnichiwa minasan. Watashi wa Abhinav desu.
Very good. See, you could. It's so very easy, right? So yeah, you could do it so in a simple manner. It's about Harshita-san. All right. Good evening, everyone. I am Harshita. Can I just request everyone to, like, when you're speaking with me, can you switch on your video and then so that, no, no, we should have lots of interaction as well. Like, no, I understand. I don't remember who is Harshita-san. I have not seen Abhinav-san also. Yeah, Niharika-san, thank you for switching your video. In fact, last time I saw you, in fact, all right. All right, yeah, Abhinav-san or Harshita-san, anyone, like, no, Harshita-san, would you like to switch on the video if it is okay? I mean, if you're comfortable, otherwise, that's fine. You can say, good evening, everyone. I am Harshita. Go ahead. Harshita-san, are you there? Okay, there's network issue. Then the hostel, no, Harshita-san stays in the hostel, so probably. Harshita-san, are you able to hear me?
Oh, yes, sir. Now I'm able.
Yeah, all right, Harshita-san. चलिए बताइए. Namaskar, Nanu Harshita. You're from Karnataka, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay, go ahead.
Hajime Moshite, watashi wa Harshita desu.
Can we say Konbanwa minasan? Konbanwa. Good evening, all right? Good evening, also. Konbanwa, you know, when you're introducing yourself, no, Konbanwa is good evening. Yeah, Avinasan, don't worry, it's okay. I'll be sharing one video on basic greetings. So there you can learn easily, like, you know, what is good afternoon, good morning, etc. No, post this class, I can share that video. Yeah, no worries. So today, let's focus on the grammar part, what we are learning now. All right, we move to all right, Niharika-san. All right, Niharika-san. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am Niharika.
Ohayo minasan, watashi wa Niharika desu.
Ohayo gozaimasu, minasan. Watashi wa Niharika desu. All right. Ohayo gozaimasu, minasan. Watashi wa Niharika desu. Thank you. All right. All right. Next, we move to Prashant-san, if you can hear me.
Present, sir.
Okay. Good night, everyone. I am Prashant.
Sir, do we say good night after that?
Sorry, Prashant-san? Samit-san, right?
That Oyasuminasa, it's like take rest, something like that, no, sir?
Correct. Yeah, but yes, okay. You can, you know, I'm just trying to make the sentences. That's okay. You can say good night, everyone. I'm Prashant, like that.
Okay. Oyasuminasa, minasa, watashi wa Prashant desu.
Great. Okay, Raji-san, now you try. You are a teacher. How do you say that? You, what is you, Raji-san? Anata. So now if you want to say, or you can say, you want to say, everyone, Mr. Santosh is a teacher. How do you say that?
Minasan, Santosh-san wa sensei desu.
Great. Yeah, got it, right, Sambit-san? Did you get it, what he said? Minasan, Santosh-san wa sensei desu. Same pattern, right? A wa B desu. Santosh-san. Okay, he's a topic in the sentence. Santosh-san wa. Wa is a topic. So I am the topic in the sentence. Santosh-san wa sensei desu. Sensei is what? Teacher. All right. So the same pattern what we are using. A wa B desu. All right. All right. Sambit-san, how will you say that I am a company employee?
Now I have to recall Santosh.
Okay, no problem. I'll just write it down for you. It will be. Now check. I have given here in the chat window. How say employee.
Okay. Yeah. The only thing I can tell today is Santosh-san, I don't know.
No, it's okay. I mean, we are learning. Sambit-san, it's okay. And this is a very first class for Abhinav-san as well, right? So no worries at all. That's okay. Try. So you know the pattern, right? A wa B that B this, the pattern what we have learned. This pattern we have learned, right? A wa B this. So whatever you are, you say I is watashi, and then you say wa particle, and then your name, and then this. All right. So if you want to say I am Sambit, how will you say that?
Watashi wa Sambit.
Des. ऑलराइट, वाता
Yes,
शिवा
okay.
संबित देश, देश इज हूं, मैं संबित हूं, तो वाता
Okay.
शिवा संबित बोलेंगे तो मैं संबित हूं,
Okay.
वाता शिवा संबित देश, ऑलराइट। इसी जगह इसी पे संबित जी की जगह पे अगर आपको बोलना है मैं कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हूं, अभी कैसे बोलेंगे आप? व्हाट इज कंपनी एम्प्लॉय? अभी चैट में लिखा है मैंने।
Wait, okay. Kaisan. Okay.
खाइशाइन, गुड, राइट। मैं
खाइशाइन।
कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हूं, सेम पैटर्न है, ए वा बी देश, है ना। जो अभी हमने मैं संबित हूं, मैं कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हूं, ऐसे बोलना है अभी।
Okay.
ओके, मैं के लिए क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज आई?
Watashi.
वाताशी। एंड
Watashi.
कौन सा पार्टिकल कौन सा आएगा समीसन?
Wa.
वा। सो वाताशी वा, मैं कंपनी एम्प्लॉय के लिए क्या कहेंगे हम लोग?
Kaisan.
वेरी गुड, मैं
What?
कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हूं के लिए
This.
देश। आप ट्राई कीजिए समीसन, ट्राई ऑल टुगेदर।
Okay. Watashi wa Kaisan sambit desu.
नो, संबित बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, आपने बस आप संबित तो नहीं
Okay.
आ रहा है।
Yes.
फिर से ट्राई कीजिए, मैं कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हूं।
Watashi wa Kaisan desu.
वेरी गुड, यू कुड डू इट, सी इट वाज इजी। वाताशी वा खाइशाइन देश, मैं कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हूं, ऑलराइट। मैं संबित हूं, और वो कैसे बोलेंगे समीसन?
Watashi wa sambit desu.
राइट, ओके। नाउ अगर बोलना है कि आप संतोष हैं, तो आपके लिए अनाता यूज करते हैं, है ना, अनाता।
Anatai. Okay.
ठीक है, अनाता इज यू,
अनाता।
तो यू आर संतोष और यू आर मिस्टर संतोष। अब कैसे बोलेंगे समीसन इसको?
Anata santosh desu.
आप कोई पार्टिकल मिस कर रहे हैं। कौन है टॉपिक? मैं टॉपिक होना सेंटेंस में,
हाँ।
तो अनाता के बाद कौन सा पार्टिकल आएगा?
Anata wa santosh desu.
वेरी गुड, यू कुड डू इट, राइट।
Right.
अनाता व संतोष देश, आप संतोष हैं, वही पैटर्न है, ए व बी देश।
Okay.
N1 noun 1 wa noun 2 this, all right, very simple, all right.
Okay.
Thank you Samir-san. All right, Johnson, okay, with Johnson we'll have a different probably no, the negative form of this, right? The way we learned this, that is in English, and whom or hai in Hindi, right? Nahi hai, nahi hu will be in Hindi, and is not or am not will be in English, right? The meaning to not to be, am not, is not, are not is a negative form of this. So this की जगह पे हम देवा अरिमासेन या फिर जा अरिमासेन यूज करते हैं। देवा अरिमासेन या फिर जा अरिमासेन, राइट। दस, मैं संतोष हूं, वाता शिवा संतोष दस, मैं संतोष नहीं हूं। कौन बनाएगा सेंटेंस ये? Who wants to make the sentence? अगर बोलना है मैं संतोष नहीं हूं, जॉनसन, ओवर टू यू।
ओके, वताशी वा संतोष जा अरिमासेन।
ग्रेट, वाताशी वा संतोष जा अरिमासेन और वाताशी वा संतोष देवा अरिमासेन। Yeah, all right. Tawfiq-san, can you just make one sentence? I am not a teacher. Tawfiq-san? Tawfiq-san? Okay, Abhinav-san, now you make a sentence. I am not a student.
Watashi wa देवा अरिमासेन।
क्या नहीं है आप क्या नहीं है आप? हाँ, स्टूडेंट को क्या बोलते हैं?
गाकू से।
ग्रेट। आपके बगल में कौन बैठा है मुझे ये पहले बताइए अभिनव साहब। हु इज सिटिंग विद यू?
My
No
wife
problem.
is sitting.
She's helping you in fact a lot, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, that's good. Hats off to her in fact. All right. So Gaku say is student. All right. Now आप फिर sentence बनाइए. मैं student नहीं हूँ. कैसे try करेंगे? Try, Abhinandan?
Yeah, watashi wa deva arimasen.
नहीं, हिंदी में सोचिए. अपने आप लखनऊ के हैं ना आप? You're from
Yes,
लखनऊ,
yes.
right? आपकी उर्दू
हाँ.
और हिंदी तो बहुत अच्छी होगी. ऐसे सोचिए. मैं को क्या बोलते हैं जापानीज में?
Watashi wa.
वाताशी
नहीं,
और
watashi.
वाताशिवा. ठीक है, ठीक है. मैं स्टूडेंट के लिए हमने क्या कहा?
Gakusi.
गाकू से नहीं हूँ. मैं विद्यार्थी
Okay.
नहीं हूँ.
So
ऐसे
watashi wa. Yeah, watashi wa gakusei deva arimasen.
गुड जॉब. या सो वाताशिवा गाकू से देवा अरिमासेन, राइट? ऐसे याद करते हैं. देश होता है हूँ और देवा होता है ना, देवा रे देवा, मराठी बोलते हैं ना. देवा अरिमासेन इज नहीं हूँ, राइट? तो भगवान नहीं है कहीं भी. ऐसा कुछ याद करके रिलेट करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा, राइट? सो वाताशिवा गाकू से देवा अरिमासेन, मैं स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ. ऑलराइट, ओके अभिनव-san, थैंक यू. We move to next participant and then we have Harshita-san. Harshita-san, how will say like, I am not a teacher.
Watashi wa sensei ja arimasen.
All right, watashi wa sensei ja arimasen or watashi wa sensei deva arimasen. All right, thank you Harshita-san. Niharika-san. Hi Niharika-san, now you have to make a sentence. I am not a Japanese person. Okay, what is Japan in Japanese?
Nihon.
Nihon is Japan. And native of Japan would be?
Nihon, meaning of Japan would be Hasan.
Nihon, native वहाँ के रहने वाले लोग को क्या बोलते? निहोंजिन है ना. ठीक है, अभी आपको निहारिका-san.
So watashi wa nihonjin ja arimasen.
Great, good job Niharika-san. Watashi wa.
I had a question. So like the previous sentence, somebody said, usually isn't it like when you refer to yourself as a teacher, you don't say it as sensei. So when you're trying to negate that sentence by saying you're not a teacher, should you use sensei or should you use?
Sensei is okay. I mean, don't get confused between kyoshi and sensei as of now, right? Just focus on the sensei. Sensei is like teacher. All right. Okay. Now, when you're going to talk about the profession, that time you can use kyoshi, right? So you will hardly use 0.1% and no 2%. That way we will talk, we will learn about that, right? So 99% in the spoken scenario, you will use sensei itself, right? Okay. All right. All right. Yeah. Now, what the sentence was from you, Niharika-san? What sentence you made?
Watashi wa nihonjin ja arimasen.
All right, ja arimasen or deva arimasen, either of it is fine, right? Watashi wa nihonjin deva arimasen or nihonjin ja arimasen. All right, thank you so much, Niharika-san. Okay, we move to Prashant-san. All right, Prashant-san, आप एक सेंटेंस बनाइए सर. मैं कुछ भी ट्राई करेंगे खुद से क्या? Any sentence, example like you can say I am not Mr. Santosh.
Watashi wa indojin desu.
Okay, I won't use. You should use deva arimasen or ja arimasen. Okay, I'm not Mr. Santosh.
Watashi wa Santosh ja arimasen.
San, right? Watashi wa Santosh san deva arimasen. Right? Watashi wa Santosh san deva arimasen. Prashant, clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we move to Rajesh-san. I am not an Indian. Sorry. I'll make that sentence, Rajesh-san.
Watashi wa indojin ja arimasen.
Great, thank you Rajesh-san. Watashi wa indojin ja arimasen. Sambit-san, आप बनाइए मैं कंपनी एम्प्लॉय नहीं हूं.
Okay. Watashi wa kaishain. One second.
Negative of this would be.
Am I audible?
Yeah, आपकी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है मुझे. जी, सुन पा रहा हूं मैं.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you, Sami-san. I can hear you, Sami-san.
Am I there? Hello.
Yeah, Sami-san, we can hear you. Yeah, Sami-san, okay. All right, Sami-san, am I audible? Sami-san, are you there? Yeah,
Hello.
we can hear you. We can hear you. Sami-san, you're audible.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay,
Little
great.
bit.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, all
Okay.
right. You make a sentence like, I'm not a company employee.
Okay. Watashi wa kaisha in. What is the last part? I'm not able to get it.
Okay, my screen is visible to you?
It is coming very slow.
Okay.
Still loading. Okay. Devarimasen. Huh?
Devarimasen, yeah. So
Okay.
you say watashi wa kaisha in devarimasen or jarimasen. All right, okay. Thank you. All right, Sami-san, we go to Johnson. Johnson, what is ka? Johnson, would you like to explain this? What is ka?
So sorry. Ka.
What is ka? Ka?
Ka is a question, right?
It's a question mark. The way we have in English this question mark at the end of the sentence, if you want to ask something. In Japanese, we don't have any question mark. We just simply put this ka. All right. Pattern is same. N1 wa N2 desu ka, or A wa A2, A1 wa A2 desu ka, or A wa B desu ka. It's a question, right? Now, I go to with you, Johnson.
Yeah.
Are you a company employee?
Anata wa kaishain desu ka?
Anata wa kaishain desu ka? Good job. All right. Topic-san. If you want to say, are you Mr. Santosh?
Anata wa Santosh-san desu ka?
Anata wa Santosh-san desu ka? Very good. Ka is a question mark. Okay. Abhinav-san. Are you a teacher? So what is you? अब हिंदी में सोचिए, आप एक अध्यापक हैं क्या? So what is आप?
Anata
Anata and particle will come?
va
ठीक है, अनाता वा अध्यापक. आप अध्यापक. What is teacher? What is teacher? Remember पुराने जमाने में एक सेंसुई करके कुछ एक टीवी आया करता था, सेंसुई. वो कोरियन ब्रांड हुआ करता था, बट ये सेंसेई होता है ना. सेंसेई का मतलब होता है टीचर जी. ठीक है, और मैं लिख देता हूँ सेंसेई. ठीक है, आप ट्राई कीजिए.
Anata wa sensei desu ka?
गुड जॉब. राइट. अनाता वा सेंसेई देsu का? आप एक टीचर हैं क्या? Done. Thank you, Abhinav-san. We move to next participant हैं हर्षिता-san. हर्षिता-san, आप इंडियन हैं क्या?
Anata wa Indojin desu ka?
Great. Thank you, Harshita-san. Niharika-san, you try. Are you a Japanese person?
Okay. Are you a Japanese person? Anata wa Indojin desu ka?
Japanese.
Oh, okay. Nihonjin desu ka?
Anata wa Nihonjin desu ka? Anata wa Nihonjin desu ka? Jin is native of that country. So Nihon is Japan. Jin जो होता है ना, भूत जिन, जो जिन होता है ना, वो वो आता था ना, कुछ हम लोग we used to rub and jinn used to come, right? So yeah, that jinn, right? So jinn is native of that country. So Indo jinn, America jinn, Pakistan jinn, right? The jinn is native of that country. All right. Thank you, Niharika-san. Anata wa Nihon jin desu ka? Prashant-san, you make one sentence saying, are you a college student?
Anata wa daigaku desu ka?
Daigakusei. Gakusei is student. Dai is big. So are you a big student, right? So we have learned, maybe no. Daigakusei is, I'll just put it in the chat window. It means university student. Dai and Gakusei. Daigakusei is university student, all right? Anata wa daigakusei desu ka? Are you a university student? All right. And then we go to Rajisan. Rajisan, you make a sentence saying, is today Sunday?
今日は日曜日ですか?
今日は日曜日ですか? All right, 日曜日 is Sunday, right? So yeah, minasan, those people who are getting confused, what is kyo, what is nichiyobi, don't worry, it's okay. So no, we have not learned this. So Rai-san has already gone through the video. So these things are available on video that I'll be sharing you later. All right, we move to Sambit-san. Sambit-san, if you want to say again, like are you a company employee? आपको मुझसे पूछना है. संतोष-san, आप एक company employee हैं क्या?
Watashi wa kaisha in.
आप.
अच्छा, Anata.
जी.
What is the question once again?
आप are you a company employee?
Anata wa kaisha in this. Okay.
Question?
नहीं.
Question नहीं सही है. अच्छा, अनता वा काइशा इन है क्या? क्या के लिए क्या रहेगा?
This.
This के बाद this means है. अनता वा काइशा इन this मतलब आप कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हैं क्या? क्वेश्चन मार्क पूछना. आप एक कंपनी एम्प्लॉय हैं क्या?
Okay.
So what is that kya in Japanese?
Yeah, no idea.
We just learned, right? We learned here. What is this on my screen?
Okay. Ka. Okay.
Yeah.
Ka.
So ka is a particle at the end of sentence to mark that the sentence is a question. Here N1 wa N2 this ka is a question mark, है ना?
Okay.
अब अभी try कीजिए.
Anata wa kaisha in desu ka?
Very good. You speak Odia, right, Sambit-san?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, one of my student, he was Sambit and he was from Odisha itself. Like, he's in Japan. Basically, he was into website development, working with some company 4 or 5 years back. So he's cleared N2 at our institute and he moved to Japan on website hosting and all, some programming with Hoots.
Okay.
So I remember that. Okay. So Anatawa Kaisha in Deska, आप एक company employee हैं क्या? Okay. Next we go to more particle, right? So 2 more particles, minasan. Bear with me and then you will be relaxed. Okay. So more is nothing but also. So more is similar to the English words to or also, right? So either of one's particle you can use. You can use mo or wa in the sentence. You cannot use watashi wa mo. You have to use watashi mo. Main bhi. So whenever you say me too, it will be watashi mo. It will be not watashi wa mo. Right? Either of one particle. Watashi wa is I. Watashi mo is me too. All right. Now, coming to John-san, if you want to say, are you also an Indian?
Anata wa Indojin desu ka?
फिर से ट्राई कीजिए जॉनसन. Are you also an Indian?
You also, no? Are you Anata wa, right? Indojin.
So आप भी. Are you also? Also, where is also here? Are you too? Are you also?
Okay. Okay. Anata mo Indojin desu ka?
Very good. Anatamo Indojin desu ka? Are you also an Indian? All right. Tawfiq-san, are you also a company employee?
Anatamo kaishain desu ka?
Great. Anatamo kaishain desu ka? All right. Abhinav-san, are you also a teacher?
Watashi mo.
Anatamo. You.
Sorry,
you-
yeah, anata. Yeah, anata.
Anata. आप भी.
Yeah, anata mo.
टीचर हैं क्या?
Gakusi.
Sensei.
Yeah, sensei. Sensei desu.
देसु है बट वो साउंड हम उसको डेस बोलते हैं.
Des, okay.
डेस एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क वुड बी
Ka.
एक साथ कैसे बोलेंगे इसको अभिनव सर?
Anata mo sensei desu ka?
वेरी गुड. अनातामो सेंसेई desu का? आप भी टीचर हैं क्या? Alright, fair enough. Okay, ka is done. Then mo is also done. And yes, we are coming to the last pattern, that is called no. All right, we no is also a particle. The way we learned wa particle, mo particle, we are learning no particle here. So no is in English we use apostrophe s, right? Something. This is now John's car or a friend of mine, or you can say this is no Harshita's book, or this is Veda's car, something like no apostrophe s where wherever you're using, we use no particle. So as a determinant to show that something belongs to someone or something. Example, अगर हिंदी में बात करें तो आपका, तुम्हारा, मेरा, wherever no ra dedi and ka keiki comes, it becomes no particle. Like no, if I want to say I am. So what is I in Japanese, Sambit-san?
Watashi.
वाताशी. ठीक है. मैं को मु जो उड़िया में बोलते हैं मु इज वाताशी. ठीक है. इसी तरह से मेरा क्या हो जाएगा समीसन? जहां भी हिंदी में अगर हम बात करें तो जहां भी रा, रे, री, का, के, की, मेरा, तुम्हारा, उसका, उसकी, जब भी आ गया तो वो नो हम लिखेंगे वहां पे. We'll use this no. So watashi is what? What is watashi? Is मैं. ठीक है. अब अगर हमें बोलना है मेरा, है ना, तो मेरा के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे?
Watashi wa no.
ना, यहाँ पे एक ही पार्टिकल यूज करेंगे. वाताशी नो, है ना. वाताशी नो मेरा. ठीक है. वाताशी नो इज मेरा. राइट. ठीक है. ओके. अभी हमने बताया. समीसन आपसे ट्राई करते हैं. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है बट डोंट लूज पेशेंस. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है ये. मैं संबित हूं. आपने कैसे कहा था? इस सेंटेंस को कैसे बनाया था?
Watashi wa sambit desu.
ठीक है. मैं संबित हूं. वाताशी वा संबित देस. अभी आपको बोलना है मेरा नाम संबित है. मैं नाम को क्या बोलते हैं? मैं जापानीज को चैट विंडो में लिख देता हूं. ठीक है. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट दिस इज कॉल्ड नामाए. ऑलराइट. ठीक है. अभी आपको बनाना है. खुद से ट्राई कीजिए. सभी लोग आप minasan, everyone is you will be asked your name. Now Sambit-san, starting from you. मेरा नाम संबित है. ट्राई.
Watashi no. Watashi no
नाम मेरा.
Watashi no nam. Watashi no nam sambit desu.
That is namae.
Namae. Okay.
हाँ. ठीक है. Watashi no.
Watashi na namae sambit desu.
ठीक है. अभी इसमें हम लोग एक मिस कर रहे हैं. Because we are focusing on your name. The topic is your name in that sentence, right? So which particle will come after your name?
अच्छा mo.
नहीं, mo means also भी. बट यहाँ पे हम पहला पार्टिकल हमने सीखा था ना. कौन सा पार्टिकल सीखा था? We learned one particle, right? मैं संबित हूँ, अभी कैसे बनाया था मैं संबित हूँ को?
Okay, this.
दिस मीन्स हूँ, तो वहां पे हमने यूज पार्टिकल पहला, दिस इज नॉट ए पार्टिकल, वा इज ए पार्टिकल,
Okay.
ठीक है, वाताशी
Okay,
वा,
yes.
है ना। अभी आपका ये जो फोकस हम लोग कर रहे हैं सेंटेंस में, वो आपके नाम के ऊपर सेंटेंस में फोकस कर रहे हैं, है ना। तो नाम के बाद आपका पार्टिकल आएगा वा। अभी आपको एक सेंटेंस बनाना है, मेरा नाम संबित है।
Watashi no name Sambit desu.
ठीक है, वाताशी नो नमाए वा, राइट, वाताशी नो नमाए वा संबित, हाँ ट्राई।
Watashi no name Sambit wa.
ऐसा नहीं, देखिए हिंदी में सोचिए या उड़िया में सोचिए। उड़िया में पता नहीं मैं कैसे बोलूंगा, बट मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ आपको।
हाँ,
या मेरा नाम संबित है, तो इसको मेरे के लिए क्या बोलेंगे?
Watashi na.
वाताशी
No.
हाँ ठीक है, वाताशी नो, ठीक है, वाताशी नो हो गया, ठीक है, वाताशी नो। और उसके बाद हम लोग बोलेंगे
Name.
हाँ जी ट्राई
Name.
कीजिए।
Yeah. Watashi no name Sambit wa.
वहाँ कहाँ पे आएगा?
Sambit hai. That's what, right?
हाँ, 10 लास्ट में आएगा, है ना।
No, so मेरा नाम संबित है. So hey is wa, right?
No, hey is this.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Watashi na name Sambit desu.
Okay, watashi no namae
wa Sambit desu.
watashi no namae wa संबित desu, है ना।
Sambit desu. What? Yes.
Okay. All right, watashi no namae wa संबित desu. 1 second, I'm just trying to get the script as well. Okay, I'm not getting it, but okay. ठीक है, अभी we'll go to another participant and then we'll start with Tawfiq-san. How will you say my name is Tawfiq?
Watashi no namae wa Tawfiq.
Watashi no namae wa Tawfiq desu. Johnson?
Yes. Watashi no namae wa John desu.
Great. Watashi no namae wa John desu. Yeah. All right. Raji-san? Raji-san? My name is Rajit.
Watashi no namae wa Rajat desu.
Watashi no namae wa Rajit. That's great. All right. Prashant-san?
Watashi no namae wa Prashant desu.
Great. Watashi no namae wa Prashant desu. Niharika-san?
Yep. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Yep. So, the same sentence, like.
Yeah, my name is Niharika.
Okay. Watashi no Niharika desu. Or watashi wa Niharika desu.
No. Mera na. Where Niharika-san? Which part of India you're from? Karnataka or Telangana?
I'm born in Pune, brought up in Bangalore.
Oh, is it? Okay. तो आप मराठी बोलती हैं?
Yeah.
और कन्नड़ा भी समझती हैं ना। ठीक है, तो अच्छा, अब ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या, माझा ना निहारिका आहे?
Yeah.
अभी ट्राई कीजिए।
Watashi wa Niharika desu.
ठीक है, मैं निहारिका हूँ, ठीक है।
Watashi no Niharika.
मेरा नाम, तो नाम क्या होगा निहारिका-san?
Oh, okay. Watashi no namae wa Niharika desu.
Great, good job, right? Watashi no namae wa Niharika desu. Good, right? मेरा नाम निहारिका है. All right, we move to Hashida-san. Hashida-san, go ahead.
Watashi no namae wa Harshita desu.
Great. Watashi no namae wa Harshita desu. Abhinav-san?
Yeah. Watashi no namae Abhinav desu.
एक पार्टिकल.
Yeah. Watashi no namae wa Abhinav desu.
गुड गुड जॉब एवरीवन. अच्छा किया. अभी मैं चाहूंगा सभी लोग अपने अपनी तरफ से यूजिंग नो पार्टिकल, है ना, क्योंकि नो एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्टिकल है ना. इट्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्टिकल इन दिस चैप्टर इज नो, राइट. आई वांट फॉर एग्जांपल अभिनव san, you can say I am an employee of Bosch. Harshita san, you should try I am a student of Nitya Meenakshi. Niharika san, you should try if you're working or if you are a student, anything like, you know, if you're a student, then you should tell your college name. Or you can, if not, then you can say I'm a student of Japanese language. Prashant san, you can say my college name is Nitya Meenakshi. And then Rajesh san, you can say I am a student of Japanese language. Samit san, you should tell your company name. And Johnson too. Tawfiq san, आप लोग. Okay, go ahead. Over to you. Who wants to take the initiative?
Yeah, this is Ambit. So what will I say?
अब आप समीसन कहाँ काम करते हैं?
Accenture.
ठीक है. अब मान लीजिए समीसन आपको बोलना है कि मैं Accenture का एम्प्लॉय हूँ, है ना. आई एम एन एम्प्लॉय ऑफ Accenture. ठीक है, तो कैसे बोलेंगे? आई एम एन एम्प्लॉय ऑफ Accenture. गो अहेड.
Watashi wa kaisa in Accenture.
अच्छा, अब इसी को हम लोग ब्रेक करते हैं. हम लोग ऐसे इसको ना समीसन ऐसे, अभी देखिए मैं के लिए क्या कहेंगे हम लोग समीसन?
Watashi.
ठीक है. पार्टिकल, विच पार्टिकल इट बिकम? वाह. ठीक है, वाताशी वा. मैं एक्सेंचर ही रहेगा.
Watashi wa Accenture.
हाँ, वाताशी वा एक्सेंचर का. सो व्हाट इज का? का इज of apostrophe s. I am Accenture's. Which particle we learn? Yeah, we learned, right? Apostrophe s. Which particle is this?
Maybe I missed it.
Can you see my screen?
No.
No. All right. No means आप देख नहीं पा रहे हैं या पार्टिकल?
No मतलब देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, आप देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. ओके, ठीक है. पार्टिकल का नाम भी नो ही है, बाय द वे, राइट. नो का मतलब
वेरी गुड.
ओके. सो नो का मतलब होता है का, के, की. एग्जांपल एक्सेंचर का, है ना. मैं एक्सेंचर का एम्प्लॉय हूँ, तो मैं के लिए आपने कहा वाताशी वा. एक्सेंचर रहेगा एक्सेंचर, राइट. का एक्सेंचर नो. एंड कंपनी एम्प्लॉय क्या कहते हैं?
Kaisain.
काइशाइन. हूँ के लिए क्या कहेंगे?
वाह.
देस. वाई पार्टिकल ऐसा कोई मतलब नहीं होता है, वो सिर्फ टॉपिक मार्कर है. देस मतलब होता है और हूँ, है ना. अभी ट्राई कीजिए समीसान. मैं एक्सेंचर का एम्प्लॉय हूँ.
Watashi wa Accenture.
ट्राई कीजिए. वाताशी वा एक्सेंचर.
What was that particle you were?
No particle.
Watashi wa Accenture no. Des.
क्या आप एक्सेंचर के क्या हैं?
Kaisain des.
वेरी गुड. वाताशी वा एक्सेंचर नो, काइशाइन देस.
Watashi wa Accenture no, Kaisain des.
Great, good job. Watashi wa Accenture no, Kaishain des. Good job. Okay, we want to move to next participant, and who wants to try their luck? Please go ahead.
Watashi wa Nitya Daigaku no gakusei desu.
Great. Watashi wa Nitya Daigaku no gakusei desu. Right. I am no student of Nitya University. All right. Who wants to try next?
Yeah. Watashi wa Bosch no Keisen desu.
खाइशा, नो कैश तो मिलेगा ही जब जापान जाएंगे आप तब, बट वो अभी तो खाइशा बोल दीजिए। कैश जापान में बहुत सारा कैश मिलेगा आपको, डोंट वरी, ओके। खाइशा, ऑलराइट, खाइशा इन
Kaisha.
दिस, हाँ,
Kaisha in this.
very good, right? Watashi wa boss no kaisha in this. Great. Watashi wa boss no kaisha in this. Yes. Okay. Next.
So for me, you told my college name is Nitte, something like that. But
Yeah.
for that, do we
Yeah.
use who know like Watashi no Daigaku no Name wa Nitte this?
You can say watashi no daigaku no namae wa Nitte Minakshi desu. All right.
So do know like Watashi no Daigaku no Name wa.
Watashi no daigaku no namae wa Nitte Minakshi desu.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. Who wants to try? Who wants to try there next?
Watashi wa Nihongo no gakusei desu.
All right. I'm a student of Japanese language. Watashi wa Nihongo no gakusei desu. All right. Niharika-san.
I will try that. Watashi wa Daigaku no Manila University desu.
अच्छा, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं क्या आप? मनीला यूनिवर्सिटी, मनीला कोई यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम है क्या? या वनीला सुना है मैंने, वनीला आइसक्रीम खाया मैंने।
I think it might be.
ऑलराइट, सॉरी। ओके, सो अगर आपको बोलना है निहारिका सन, मैं मनीला यूनिवर्सिटी की स्टूडेंट हूँ, कैसे बोलेंगे आप?
It hasn't. Like if I am a student of Manila University.
हाँ, इंग्लिश में मत सोचिए, मराठी में सोचिए या तो हिंदी में सोचिए। नो, इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू नो ट्रांसलेट। या मैं, ओके, नाउ हाँ, वताशी वा
Daigaku no.
कौन से यूनिवर्सिटी की हैं आप?
Okay, Manila University no.
हाँ, मनीला और यूनिवर्सिटी को ना हम लोग दाइगाकू बोलते हैं, तो मनीला ना मनीला ही रहेगा, ठीक है? अभी ट्राई करिए, मैं मनीला यूनिवर्सिटी की, हाउ विल से दैट?
So the sentence would be Watashi wa Manila Daigaku no gakusei desu.
Very good job, Niharika-san. Clap for you. Watashi wa Manila Daigaku no gakusei desu. All right, I am a student of Manila University. All right, who wants to try next? कोई है जो रह गए हैं? Yeah, topic-san, go ahead.
I tried. Watashi wa Nihongo no gakusei desu.
Watashi wa Nihongo no gakusei desu. All right, good job. Next. कोई ट्राई करेंगे? कोई रह गए हैं, कोई सेंटेंस अपने एंड से कोई ऐड करना चाहते हैं आप लोगों में? Yeah, we are done. In fact, now we'll have a audio session that we'll try to listen what हम लोग ने अभी शुरू में सुना था. All right, all set? Is there any questions on any grammar part you want to ask? No. Okay.
Yeah, just a general question, Santosh. Like how? I mean, this is my first class, so how do we generally so you give some topics for people to read and then come, or how is this generally done?
Yes. So basically, I share one YouTube video, probably, and also the soft copy of the book. So I understand lots of people, 90% of people, they don't read and come because of their work and because of their studies. Yeah. So what we do, we go through each and every grammar, and also we go through the vocabulary, and then the way I have explained you in the class, everything will be explained like this, and after that we'll read a book. There, that will be written in Japanese, and then you have to interpret in English language, or vice versa. Something will be written in English, and then you have to make the sentences in Japanese language, like that. So if you talk about the link, I have just shared the link, and also I'll share in the WhatsApp group, so where you can download it.
Okay.
So today's videos is there in the group, right? So this is the video.
The video you just recorded, that's what.
No, that's a different, like, this, basically for your reference, when I, like,
Okay.
whenever you're free, you can just go through these videos. So this the recorded video will be there on Skype for 1 month, what we're
Okay.
recording now. But these are YouTube videos. So you can probably, like, any time you think, like, I'm not understanding anything, so you can go through these videos and.
Okay.
So that was the, in fact, vocabulary what I have shared. I'll also share the grammar explanation what I have taught you now. So I'm just trying to find another video so that I can. Probably if you, I mean, all of you can subscribe because it will be easy to find those video. Otherwise, no, every time I have to share the link, right? So, okay, in the
Just
group I
subscribe
have
to the
already
YouTube
shared.
channel.
Yeah, you can. I mean,
Subscribe
at
to.
least, yeah. Thank you. I have shared another video as well. That's what we learned today in the WhatsApp group. I have shared both the videos.
Okay.
So probably one vocabulary video and another is grammar video. What we have learned so far. All right. So now let's go for a listening section. Okay, I'm going to play some audio file now. I'll just try and I'll ask you the questions. All right, just let me know if you can hear my audio, right? All right, we'll start with Abhinav-san. Abhinav-san, listen to this sentence and just let me know. You're there in the class, right? I'm sorry,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I'm going to play one audio for you and just you have to translate this, what the person said. All right, here you go.
1、
私はマイク・ミラーです。
Mike Mira is a person name.
Oh, okay.
What was the sentence? Do you want me to play one more time?
Yeah, once again.
Sure.
私はマイク・ミラーです。
My name is means whatever the name she
Mike
told.
Miller, right? So
Mike Miller,
Watashiwa Mike Miller. This it will be I am Mike Miller, isn't it?
Watashiwa, yeah, I am
I am Mike Miller. He didn't say Watashi no namae wa Mike Miller. So my name is Mike Miller, then you should have said like no Watashi no namae wa. But he said Watashi wa Mike Miller. So I am Mike Miller. All right?
Okay.
All right, all set, Abhinav-san. Thank you. Niharika-san, second sentence for you.
2、
サントスさんは学生じゃありません。
It means Santosh is not a student.
What was the sentence, Niharika-san?
Santosh-san gakse ja arimasen.
Santosh-san wa?
Santosh-san wa ja gakse.
Watashi wa? Okay, ठीक है. चलेगा.
Santosh-san
wa
gakse ja arimasen.
Good job, Niharika-san. Santosh-san wa gakusei ja arimasen. Mr. Santosh is not a student. All right. Prashant-san.
3、
ミラーさんは会社員ですか？
皆さんは会社員ですか？ Is 皆さん
Miller, right?
Miller-san,
Yes. Is Mr. Miller?
company employee.
Good job, right? Is Mr. Miller is a company employee. All right. We move to Rajasthan.
4、
サントスさんも会社員です。
Santosh-san is a company employee.
What was the sentence, Rajasthan?
Santosh-san wa kaishain desu.
Santosh-san?
Wa kaishain desu.
Santosh-san?
Mo kaishain desu.
ですね。はい。Santosh san mo kaishain desu. Alright. So Santosh san mo kaishain desu. Alright. So I am putting this audio again now. All those things will be shared on a Google Drive. Just for your reference today, I'm going to. All right, I've just shared these audios as well. We move to next participant. We have Sambit-san. Yeah, Sambit-san. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to play for one sentence.
Leibun.
1、マイク・ミラーさんですか？
はい、マイク・ミラーです。
All right, if I want to say, あなたはマイク・ミラーさんですか? What does it mean? あなたはマイク・ミラーさんですか?
Anatawa is you.
Mike Mira. Mike Mira is Mike Miller.
Or Mike Miller.
ですか? あなたはマイク・ミラーさんですか?
Sorry.
あなたはマイク・ミラーさんですか? Okay, if I want to say あなたはサンビットさんですか? What does it mean? Are you Mr. Sambit? All right. Are you Mr. Sambit? Like the same thing. Mike Miller is a person name. Anata wa Mike Miller san desu ka? Meaning of this would be?
Are you
Mr. Mike Miller? Hi, Mike Miller desu. Hi is yes. Yes, I am Mike Miller. Hi, watashi wa Mike Miller desu. All right.
Yes. Hi.
Hi, hi. Yes, so then hi, Sambit-san. How are you? Like that. Hi. Hi is yes. All right. Yeah, Johnson.
2、ミラーさんは学生ですか？
皆さんは学生ですか?
Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? Is Miller-san student?
Good. Is Mr. Miller is a student? Topic-san answer is いえ。
いいえ、学生じゃありません。
いえ、学生じゃありません。What is いえ? What is いえ?
No.
No. いえ is no.
No.
いえ、学生じゃありません。Meaning of this would be?
No, he is not a student.
Very good. いえ、学生ではありません or じゃありません。All right. Avinam-san, next.
会社員です。
What is 会社員? Okay, topic-san, what is 会社員?
Company employee.
Yeah, so no, he is not a student, he is a company employee. All right, yeah, Avinav-san, listen to this audio.
3、ワンさんはエンジニアですか？
One son. If it comes, son has come, that means it means like he's talking about some person. One is the name of a person. One son wa engineer desu ka? What does it mean, Avinav-san?
One is engineer.
Very good. Is Mr. Wan
Is he
an
engineer?
engineer? Is he an engineer? Okay, and answer is?
いいえ、ワンさんはエンジニアじゃありません。
He is not engineer.
No. EA is no. All right. EA, one son wa engineer ja arimasen.
医者です。
Isha desu. Isha is doctor. Okay, just for the time being, you can know. EA, engineer ja arimasen. Isha desu. He's a doctor. All right. Okay. Niharika-san?
4、あの方はどなたですか？
Anukata. Anukata is, what is Anukata? Okay, what is Anukata?
Sorry about that. Okay. Anukata is Anu.
That person, right?
That person.
Wo insan. Anukata wa donata. Donata is who?
Who?
Right? In the
Who is that person?
Who is that person? Anukata wa donata desu ka?
ワットさんです。桜大学の先生です。
Watto-san desu. San is again Mr. and Mrs. Watto is name of person, right? Watto-san desu. He is Mr. Watto. Sakura Daigaku. Daigaku, you understand, right? No sensei, yes. What does it mean?
It means Mr. Walter is a teacher of Sakura.
University,
Sakura
Sakura University. Yeah, yes, he's a professor at Sakura University. Good job. Yeah, all right, Niharika-san. Yeah, Prashant-san.
5、テレサちゃんは何歳ですか？
What does it mean?
Teresa-san's age, like, what is Teresa-san's age?
Yeah, what is Teresa's age? All right, Rajisan, answer is
9歳です。
Q
9
size.
years.
What is 9
9
years?
years.
That's not 9 years old. All right, great. Good job, everyone. Got it. All right, so on Friday, we'll have the conversation session, more of whatever you have learned so far, and in the video what I have shared, I've shared the link. All right, I'll in the college group also I shared to, in fact, Prashant san, Rajesh san, and Harshita san. You can get that link. I think you have already gone through that. Friday we'll have a conversation of initial 30 minutes, and after that 30 minutes we'll have only the paper on the vocabulary what you have learned so far, like what is watashi, what is anata, what is no minasan, all these things small, and what on the grammar part. So every chapter we have a test. I think Rajesh and Prashant san and Harshita san, you have already taken the paper, so that you can skip that paper. But yes, yeah. So those people who are comfortable with the hiragana, they can take the paper in hiragana. Otherwise, other people they can take in the paper in the Romaji, like Sambit san and Avinav san. You can start. I'll also share few how to practice the characters. The script I'm talking about. So within a week, we can also probably by next Friday you will be able to take the paper in the hiragana part. Okay. So that's all from me in last 5 minutes. The question answer session. If you have any questions, please shoot. Please ask your doubt. I'm there to support. I'm there to answer to your queries.
Sorry, you can.
Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah. Go ahead. Ladies first.
I wanted to ask, like, how would the test be like? Is it like an online session?
Yeah, it will be online. Yeah, it will be online. It will be a Google form, in fact, and there will be a timer on within 30 minutes. You have to complete that paper. So the paper will be from the chapter number 1 itself. The video what I have shared in the WhatsApp group, you can see this. The grammar will be there from, and if you're okay to take the paper in hiragana, good enough. Otherwise, no Romaji, you can take the paper. So it's basically hard. If you're taking the paper in Romaji, it will be almost 15 to 20 minutes. You can finish it off. Yeah, hiragana, because you have to read and then understand. Then it will I've given a double time. So instead of 15 minutes, I've given 30 minutes for that.
Okay.
All MCQ, multiple choice question answers are there.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
My pleasure, Niharika-san. All right. Yeah, Sambi-san.
Okay, Santosh-san. So when you said so far means for today's session. When you said Friday, we'll give that. Or so far, like people who have already been taking this thing, or what is it?
You're talking about the paper?
Yeah.
All right. Paper will have the probably Sambi-san, you can take your time. Maybe you just attempt this paper on Friday. But yes, the video what I have shared in the group in our WhatsApp group, I'll just request you to go through that. And immediately after this class gets over, I have got everyone's mail ID. I'll give the access to Google Drive where these materials are kept. Right now, I'll also tell you which book you have to refer for vocabulary and the grammar part. So Romaji book and the Hiragana book, both the books I have kept it in that drive. So chapter number 1 you have to just read, and from chapter number 1 you will get the questions.
Okay.
Yeah. If not, you're not comfortable, it's okay. You can skip. But just try whatever we have learned today. The same questions will be asked on Fridays. Before that, we'll have a conversation session like that.
Okay. So these things you will cover, this hiragana, or these 2 or 3 types of.
Yes. So we are as I said, the actual class will start from January, right? So we still have 2 weeks. So within 2 weeks we have to complete this hiragana part, right? So there will be a few more people joining us in this 2 week, right? So yeah, it's like that. So we are slow as of now. So we will again, I said today what we have learned, we have the conversation on Friday, so that you are comfortable. Okay, what we will not go fast this time because we are not in hurry. We want to focus on the spoken. The good part of on your weekdays class is like, you know, one class is dedicated for your spoken part. Weekend batch, yes, of course, you will have a minimal time because only Saturday and Sunday is there. Sunday, you know, no 20 minutes, 15 minutes, no 30 minutes, you will get time to speak, right? So that's the reason. But yes, of course, conversation will be there in that class also.
Okay.
Yeah. The confidence you will get once you start speaking. That will happen on Friday.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. My pleasure, Mitsan. Yeah. All right. Any further questions, Minasan? Any other questions? All right. All right. Then let's close the session for today. If no more further queries are there, then let's meet again on Friday. And yes, of course, in case of any support, please WhatsApp me. I'm awake till 11 p.m. I will be there to answer to your queries if I see the WhatsApp message immediately. Yeah. All right. All right, Nathan. Oyasunasai, everyone. Sayonara. Yeah. All right. Sayonara.
Oyasuminasai.
Oyasuminasai. Oyasuminasai. All right.